Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how to achieve this look today. We're going to go from here to that look. You need a scrunchie, you need a bigger scrunchie, you need some bobby pins, and you need a whole lot of patience. Now you're going to part your hair where you want it. I put mine really deep to the side. I sectioned off the front and the back. Because the front and the back is separated, it's easier for me to put the back into one. This is what you should be up to. Pay attention to what I'm doing. I took a few pieces from the side and I wrapped it around and wrapped it around and wrapped it around. That's all I did. Now I pinned it. This is where we are now. The same action is being repeated. I'm taking a few pieces from the ponytail and wrapping it around. And we're going to keep doing this until you get the height that you want. I know y'all was paying attention the last two times, so I'm not telling you what I'm doing anymore. Because it's the same thing. Bobby pins. The same thing. What am I doing? This where we at now. I wanted my bun this high, so that's how high it's gonna be. Then you're gonna fold that extra hair right on the back of your bun. And you're gonna put the scrunchie there. Make sure the hair do not move nowhere. Now we got that. You're gonna get rid of that any way you can. You could wrap it around, you could tuck it in. What I did today was tuck it in, but usually I wrap it around. We're at the bang part now, and I cut out the 11 times that I did the bang part. And it only shows you about 2 or 3 times, but you're just gonna wrap it around and straighten it out until you get it how you want it. And when you got it how you want it, you pin the top and you pin the bottom and you good. And you wrap the little rest of it around the bun. Make sure everything is straight and pin it. Pin any extra things that's hanging loose, and maybe some hairs in the back that's hanging loose. You want to get that. And I'm done. Thank you for watching my video, everybody. If you made it this far, I'd like for you to like my video and leave me a comment. Tell me some things that you like and tell me what you don't like. If you feel like this hairstyle is for birds, let me know, because that's what some people been telling me. If you feel like it's like a dick bun or something like that, let me know. I really don't care though, because I like it. If you like it, I want to see you do it too. And send me some pictures on Instagram. I'm going to leave my Instagram below. I'm going to post your pictures and all that. What is this giving? You know what? Comment and tell me what these looks is giving. And I'll see y'all on my next video.